Hello everyone. Today we are learning about angina pectoris. Angina, it is a term used for the chest pain caused by reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. It is typically described as squeezing, pressure, heaviness, tightness or the pain in your chest. It also occurs because of imbalance between the oxygen supply and oxygen demand. Angina is of three types: stable angina, unstable angina, exertional angina. Stable angina. It is the most common type of angina and it is a predictable pattern of chest pain. You can usually track the pattern based on what you are doing or when you have a chest pain. Its characteristics: it lasts short time, it develops when your heart works harder, such as exercise or climbing stairs. It disappears sooner if you take rest. Unstable angina. It is another condition which does not follow a predictable pattern. Both forms of angina can be a symptom of underlying heart disease. Characteristics: it occurs even at rest. It is a change in your usual pattern of angina. It is unexpected. It is usually severe and lasts longer. Etiology: it is caused by the reduced blood flow to the heart muscle. And symptoms are chest pain, discomfort, pain in your arms, neck, jaw, shoulder, or back accompanying chest pain, nausea, fatigue, shortness of breath, sweating, and dizziness. While coming to the diagnosis, here we'll diagnose it by using the echocardiogram, nuclear stress test, chest X-ray, blood test. While coming to the treatment, here the lifestyles are: we will stop the smoking and alcohol, maintain a healthy body weight, avoid large meals, avoid stress. Medications: nitrates, it will relax and widen the blood vessels. Aspirin, it reduces the ability of blood clot, making it easier for blood to flow. Clot preventing drugs like clopidogrel, prasugrel, beta blockers, it relaxes the blood vessels and reduce pp. Statins, it lowers the blood cholesterol. Calcium channel blockers, it relaxes and widen the blood vessels. Surgery, we will use the angioplasty and the stenting. It is also called a percutaneous coronary intervention. In this, we will do a tiny balloon and it is inserted into a narrowed artery. The balloon is inflated to widen the artery, and then a, a small wide mesh coil or the stent, it is usually inserted to keep the artery open. And this procedure improves the blood flow in the heart and reducing or eliminate the angina. Coronary artery bypass surgery. A vein or artery from anywhere in the body, it is used to bypass, means a blocked or narrowed the heart artery. It increases the blood flow to the heart and reduces or eliminate the angina. Thank you.